Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a very short and quick video because I am testing out the KYB shock absorbers, which are provided as an accessory by Yamaha. They retail for around 17,000. They have a little bit of adjustability here and there is a knob down, but I just don't want to fiddle with it. So I'll be just going on a short test ride and let me give you my detailed impressions about it. The bike is brand new, so yes, of course there is a lot of smoothness to it. Just a very short ride that I'm going to do right now. So yeah, this is a concrete road and there is considerable amount of difference on the rear. It is less bouncy than what it was, definitely, and I think a little bit of tweaking with the shock absorbers and it will be a beautiful setup. Of course, I think it also adds a bit of weight to the rear because these are comparatively heavy shock absorbers. The front, as usual, is okay. It's a maxi scooter and it's meant for touring, so it's a bit on the stiffer side. Should have been on the softer side though. Yamaha is coming out with the Indonesia spec suspension as well, is what I've heard. That thing retails for around 2,000 bucks in Indonesia. I hope they get the same price in India, because quite a few people will definitely swap to that, because the KYB at 17.5 is practically, it's not practical for quite a few people. So yes, coming back to the suspension, I'm riding it right now and I can say since I have the stock suspension on my Aerox, this is at least 20% softer, and I don't know what setting it is at. I have not played with it or anything, but yes, this is at least 20% softer and a bit better at absorbing shocks. But concrete roads and the undulation on the roads, the surface of the road is not very smooth. This actually is unsettling the scooter, not only on this suspension but also on the regular normal Aerox suspension. These roads actually are unsettling the scooter, but apart from that I don't find any other problem with it. Just doing a bit of a speed run, going around 80-85 to see what it is. It is still bouncy, just the way it is on stock, but yes, I can say around 15 to 20% improvement. And for 17.5, I don't know whether you would call it worth it or not. They should also have brought in the Aerox R suspension from Indonesia. That is also gas filled and similar to this, which would have made more sense actually. That's cheaper, around 14,000. Then yeah, being Yamaha, they do whatever they want to do. So yes, this is what this video is about. I don't find much of a difference, I mean a groundbreaking difference on this. Let me just attach my 360 and then let's do a quick video. So just attach my 360 so that we can see if there is any kind of a difference on the damping when I ride. I just hope I don't lose it though. So this is a tar road now and it is pretty smooth, so I don't think you will see any kind of a movement on the suspension. But yeah, as soon as we hit the bumpy patches, I think there should be some kind of a movement. So this is what the suspension is all about. It's a bit heavier than stock, and maybe that's why the rear feels a bit more planted. But yes, the bumpiness is still there, not as soft like what was promised, and that's it. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, the helmet giveaway is still on, so once I reach 2,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away a beautiful AXOR helmet. So stay tuned for that, and spread the word. Also, COVID is not over. Please stay safe, always wear a mask, and keep your hands sanitized. So until next time, ride hard and ride safe. See you. Bye bye.